Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add custom code to your Webflow website. Adding custom code is a powerful way to extend Webflow's functionality with CSS, JavaScript, or HTML, giving you control over elements that Webflow doesn't natively support. First, go to your site settings in Webflow. Once there, click on the Custom Code tab. You'll see two main sections where you can add code, the head code section and the footer code section. If you want your code to apply to the entire site, add it in the head code section. This is useful for things like metadata, linking external resources, or applying global styles. Simply paste your code there and make sure to click Save Changes. The code you add here will appear in your website's HTML before the closing head tag .next. If you want to add code that should load after the page content, like tracking scripts or custom functionality, use the footer code section. Paste your code there and click Save Changes. This code will appear in your HTML right before the closing body tag, and it will also apply to the whole site. Keep in mind that Webflow has character limits. Embedded elements and single-page codes are limited to 10,000 characters, and site-wide code is limited to 20,000 characters. So make sure your code fits within these limits. That's it. Adding custom code in Webflow is simple once you know where to place it, and it opens up a lot of possibilities to enhance your site. If this helped, like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more Webflow tips and tutorials.